Good morning and welcome to your daily weather operations brief. Starting today off, seeing some lower and mid-level clouds streaming across the area. We do have light winds out of the north-northeast, and we're expecting that to continue throughout the afternoon and into the evening before becoming light and variable by tomorrow morning. Overall, should see onshore flow helping to keep those temperatures down today and our instability at bay. So should be a nice day here on the shore with sunshine poking through from time to time and overall clearing expected later. And if we look at the current radar out there, we do see we have some showers and some heavier rain in areas farther to our south. We do have some very light reflectivity moving through the immediate local vicinity here. That rain is tied to a boundary that is pushed south that I'll talk about here in a second. So we do anticipate that activity staying well south of the area as of current and should keep us dry as mentioned earlier. Now taking a look at this morning's surface analysis chart here, that boundary that we have seen lingering in the local area for the past couple of days has since pushed down to our south, and as a result, we are set up for a cooler day today with some onshore flow that will help additionally limit our instability and keep us mostly dry. And that is aside from some very slight chances of early morning showers that we just took a look at streaming across. Overall, dry conditions should prevail for the day, at least until tomorrow morning, and most of the convective activity and showery activity should be initiating further south along that boundary, where we'll see much better moisture values, better forcing and instability, all being a bit higher down in that area. As for our current weather observations out on the field, we do have a broken layer at 2,000 and an overcast layer at 10,000 with 7 statute miles of visibility. Starting to see some of that upper level cloud cover thinning out and resulting in some sunlight breaking through here shortly. And we do have our winds out of the north-northeast at about 5 knots with a temperature of 73 degrees, expecting that to climb slowly upwards into the upper 70s this afternoon, and our relative humidity currently sitting at 87%. Now, if we take a look at the satellite imagery, the most recent scan here, we can see where that boundary lies and that clearing that we can anticipate later this afternoon, starting to slowly but surely work its way southwards as that front continues to kind of drift down that direction. Plenty of cloud cover associated with this boundary, but again, should see some slight improvement as we move through the afternoon. And for our models here, this is the Huron a 24-hour loop, and this high-resolution model did pick up on those early morning showers. So far, looking pretty good on the day. And this afternoon, aside from maybe a couple patches of light reflectivity being indicated, we do look to remain dry throughout the day into tomorrow morning, in which we do see some rain chances introduced, although they are reasonably moderate to low end chances. For the 24-hour forecast ahead, seeing those temperatures climb into the upper 70s, seeing improving cloud conditions, sky conditions as we move through the afternoon, and then we'll see increasing cloud cover tomorrow morning. As for our relative humidity, seeing that on the decline, it will still be quite elevated given our temperatures, but it will be comparatively a drier day in comparison to what we have seen here over the past week or so. Winds out of the northeast shifting easterly and then turning southeasterly before becoming light and somewhat variable tomorrow morning and in those overnight hours. Chances of precip this morning to about noon. We'll see chances of light rain much of the heavier precipitation looking to be farther south of the area, and then tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock and after, seeing rain chances build back in, and then greater rain chances to come later on Thursday afternoon, evening time frame. May see a very slight chance of lingering showers past noon this afternoon. Otherwise, we do have greens across the board for today. And then for our short-term weather outlook here, the next 2 days, on Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, seeing a chance of showers and thunderstorms for both Thursday and Thursday night, seeing a high around 83, a low in the mid-70s, and for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy, and seeing a lower chance of showers and thunderstorms, but certainly still a chance to see such, in a warmer day at that, high around 90, and greens for winds and ceiling for the next 2 days. That's going to conclude the daily weather operations brief. Hope everyone has a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook.